Hello everyone and welcome back to another Shein haul. First item I want to share is this Pop Fill eyeshadow palette. If you are been around my channel for a long time, when I started I had this palette called Manly 120 eyeshadow palette. Well, basically this is a mini version of that. Yeah, it was like 100 and something eyeshadows. Black plastic case it comes in. Out of all the eyeshadows, only one came broke, and it was this one. I'm going to try to fix it, so I haven't took it out of the packaging yet. But this is pretty much identical to that 120. I love it. So you have this layer here. You have some cool tones, some bright colors, some more like neutrally colors. This one, there's a lot of light, like highlighter shades and bright colors with some neutrals. The third tray, this came packaged really well, by the way, has neutrals and some more highlighting shades. And there's like one pink shade there. But this was under $6 and you get all these shades. I cannot wait to play with this. And I love how compact it is. And some of the swatches on there, it looked really promising. Pigmented and everything for the price. So I'm excited to try that out. Next up, I'm going to share some random items with you. So I got, there was 50 in here for under $1 of random butterfly stickers. All shapes, sizes, and colors. Super duper cute. I got these, I believe these were the large size storage bags, like a Ziploc bag, and they have a holographic background with the black border. Very cute. And I picked these up, and they're stickers. There's 500 of them. And they're holographic, and they say thank you for supporting my small business. And yeah, they all say that. It was really cute. I picked up some almond shaped false nails, and these are like the soft gel tips. There's the brand. Get 120, and these are the small size almond. And then I've got these, and they're a short coffin nail, and these just come connected with this. I think you get 100 and something in this one as well. But really good deal. And I picked up a 10-pack of nail glue. I also picked up, this is a pack of 25 of the sticky tabs for the nail tips. 25 of those. And I chose the color pink. I picked up this double-sided tape used to display nail tips, or a set of press-ons. So I picked that up. I picked up some nail prep items. These are mini files and orange sticks. So they come in a set. You get 50 in here. And you'll have to stay tuned to see what I'm going to do with some of these items. And then this is a 20-pack of small mini nail buffers. And these are purple. Some nail prep items. And then to go with this next item, I picked up some of this putty. They had white, blue, pink. It's like poster putty. But I'm going to be using it for these nail tip stand. I chose the clear one. I just picked like a cheaper one off the website. And hopefully it works fantastic. And then I realized if I was going to do a set of 10, I should have picked up another one. So I do have another order on the way. So silver pegs with the clear base. And it's magnetic. And lastly, glitters, rhinestones, and powders. So I was eyeing these beautiful like rust rhinestones. And I kept browsing the site, and they had this set that actually had the rust ones and the coffee one. And I really loved how they looked. And then this one was just like a bonus. They also have this iridescence to them. They all seem, though they're different sizes. And if you like my nails, there's most likely a tutorial already up. So I will put the link in the description box, always under what's on my nails. These are really beautiful fall. Carousel wheel, and you can spin it around and choose what size. So that's always nice. This was a fraction of the price too. I believe this was only $1, and I got all 3 different types. They're all like iridescent, and they're all very fall-like. I got this nail powder set, which is the other set of glow in the dark. After I done my glow in the dark set not too long ago, like I guess by the time you see this, it might be 2 weeks ago, I used, we'll refer to that set as the cool tone. This is the warm tone, and you get the pinks, the oranges, yellow, and I think this one's probably just a paler yellow glow in the dark. So anyways, these are glow in the dark. And these were under $2. So these nail powders I wanted because I'm trying to build my nail powder collection, and I didn't have a lot of fall tone dark holographic powders, and these may not seem holographic, but they are. And I especially wanted this purple here. A lot of jewel tones in this particular package. There's 10 of these in here. And last but not least, these glitters. I thought these were going to look beautiful. They are multi-dimensional. They're duochrome, or I should say multi-chrome glitters. So head on, you're probably seeing one color of the glitters. They are all different sizes in the pans and the little pots here. And if I was to share these in the shade, they would look totally different. Even in a cell phone flash, they would look different. So you see a head-on color, but at different angles, they are different colors. You can especially see this one. Anyways, these look so much fun. I could not pass upon these glitters, and hopefully they do their best to lay flat and are easy to use with regular nail polish. Well, that's the last item. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Shein links, a playlist, among other links. So definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these.